So we're doing my shelving for, they're gonna go above the garage door. So what I did, I built a box, well, the frame, I would say. And then I left these top piece, I left it so I can move it around. One second. Okay. So I can tilt it. See how I can tilt it? It's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. So I can follow my, I put a long bolt. I'll show you the side. This is the side right here. 5-inch. So I put a long bolt in there. I pre-drill it first. So that piece, I can wiggle it around to follow the ceiling. So now I can shoot it to the wall and then shoot it to the ceiling. Then I can slide my shell in. Once I slide my shell in, then I can continue with the front piece. Still missing 2 front pieces right there. So it's gonna be just like that. So I built this, is 24, I believe 24 by 24. Yeah, 24. And no, it's 24 by 21. So 24 deep, 21 high. It depends on the angle. The ceiling has a big angle. It goes real high. And then it comes down. So it depends on the angle of your ceiling. If you do your measurement right, you get it right. But this is the easy way to do it. You build this on the floor, so you know it's gonna be nice and strong, because you're gonna have all your screw for your support from front to back. And then this is not heavy at all. Another thing is, I'm not using the regular 2x4, how they call it. These are the regular 2x4. There's 3.5. Those are too big. So the one I'm using, they're 2.5. 2.5 by 1.5. So 2.5 by 1.5. It's real light. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up there. I might need someone to help me hold it. I think so. If not, I think I can do it. All right. All right, so depending on the angle of your ceiling, you gotta shave one corner so it won't hit the ceiling. Just shave the back side, the inside. And as you can see, right now I haven't shoot that one yet. It's just staying up there with this. I'm holding it with that piece of plywood. There's no screw yet. I'm just holding it up. And you can see the angle. You can see how it's going in an angle because of the roof. So if I need to move it, I can still move it a little bit more. And then the back is tight, everything's tight. Now I just gotta find the joist going this way. That wall is, that one has a big piece of wood behind, so that one I can just shoot it straight. But the top I have to find a joist. And then I just gotta drop my shell in, and put the 2 front pieces, and it's done. So I'll show you the finished product once I get everything done. So you know how it looks, easy to make. If you don't know where if you don't know where all your joints are, because it's wood, you get a magnet, and then you're gonna look for the screw, not for the wood, because it's not gonna stick to wood. So you look, if your joints are going this way, you're gonna have to kind of go like up and down. Let me go over here. right here. So right here sticking. So that means there's a joist right here. So I follow that screw over, then I drill my hole right there. Then take my big screw. That didn't sound good. I think I missed by 1 inch. No, sigue grabando. I missed by 1 inch. Oh my God, I missed like by a mile. It's coming over here. Right here. Take my big screw. Now we go. That's holding. A little more. There we go. And that's how you do it. Now it's time to put the shelf. I'm going to choose this to be down. Alright, here we go. There you go. I just gotta shoot it down. Are we good to go? All right, so here we got one finish. So I decide to keep the middle right there open. So what I did, I put another support right in the corner. So it got two support, one on the front and then the one on the side. And then I put another piece here. So if we slide something here, it won't fall. We did it on both sides to keep stuff from falling down. Now I already screwed that, so it's nice and strong. Now I gotta do the other one. See? That look good. Let's see from this side. Yeah. Oh yeah, that look good. Let me do the other one right here. All right, let's test the weight. Let's see. Good to go. It's good. All right, so now we got both of them finished. Now I'm just doing a test with the tire up there. It's an old tire, it's trash. But I just wanted to see if it was gonna fit. And it fit perfect. There's a 17-inch tire on a 24-inch shell. Let me go up there. So here we go. So we did the same thing. Put the extra support and the extra piece right there, so nothing won't slide. See, stay right there. good. Everything line up like it's supposed to. And yeah, I like the clean look. If I want, I can add another support. Like I said at first I was gonna do. But kind of like it like that. With the open view. And it look nice from the bottom. But I think I'm gonna paint it. Might paint it like I did this one's right here. See, I painted those. It's a lot of mess right here. Everything needs to be organized, but look, I painted the front of these, and then it look better. I'm thinking of doing the background red, and then keep the shell, the front of the shell, just like that. So it's gonna look like it's gonna pop out like a 3D.